Hi everyone! In this video, we will use subtraction and addition properties of equality. Solve the equation b plus 222 equals negative 32. To solve an equation, this means that we need to isolate the variable or get it all by itself on one side of the equal sign. To do this, we find all of the operations around it and do the opposite to negate them, and this will isolate the variable. The only operation we have here is an addition sign. The opposite of addition is subtraction. If it was adding 222, the opposite will be to subtract 222. But we can't just subtract it on one side of the equal sign. We must subtract it on both sides because this will keep the equal sign balanced. 222 minus 222 is 0, or we can just say that it cancels. And b plus 0 is just b, so this just means that the only thing left on this side of the equal sign is the variable b, and that's exactly what we wanted to do, to isolate the variable. On the right-hand side, these numbers are both negative. That means that I can add and keep the same sign, which is negative. So we can add these together, which is 4, 5, 2, 254. We can be all done right now, or we can check our answer because any equation we can go ahead and check by substituting what we got into the equation, the original equation. So our original equation is b plus 222 equals negative 32. Now we can substitute negative 254 in for b, but every time we do that, we always substitute with parentheses. This keeps all of the operations and signs clear so we know what to calculate. On the left-hand side, negative 254 plus 222, we have two signs, one negative, one positive. This means that I need to subtract. So I'm going to put the smaller number underneath and subtract, and then we'll keep the sign of the larger number. 4 minus 2 is 2, 5 minus 2 is 3, 2 minus 2 is 0, and the larger number is negative, so this will be negative 32. Negative 32 does in fact equal negative 32, so it checks out that the number that we substituted in for b here is correct and is our answer. So b does in fact equal negative 254, and we're all done.